So you're telling me an air fryer fried these steaks? Actually, yeah.
Tasty.
I'm gonna try out this Tastee air fryer today.
Who does not like a recipe book?
And I got it all unboxed. It's looking all nice. So I'm gonna take 3 ribeye steaks. You see, they are nice and steaky. Gonna get them salted as well as peppered on both sides. So I'm gonna season them generously so they can be nice and, as the air fryer brand is, tasty. So once we got them all seasoned up, I'm going to take their Smart Probe thermometer and I'm going to go ahead and insert that into one of our steaks. I'm going to cook these one after another. So the first steak I'm going to place into the air fryer and then plug the probe in. And then I'm going to use the Tastee app to choose my cut and my preferred doneness. Once that's set, it'll send the recipe over to the air fryer. And here we have our 3 different steaks that I cooked. And my 3 steaks here are looking quite nice. So I'm going to go ahead and cut them open. And here we have medium rare, medium, as well as medium well. And here's a nice little panning shot. But the proof is in the proverbial pudding, or in this case, steak. YFP out.